Welcome to Scan AI Connect, an official London Tech Week Fringe event supported by NVIDIA. Our guests have experienced live physical AI and robotics, hands-on agentic AI demos, and enjoyed exclusive networking with the exact enablers driving forward the real-world enterprise. Scan AI Connect spotlights how the massive roadmap from GTC is becoming reality and is the place to hang out with the people leading the charge.
I think it's a fabulous celebration of tech in London, and really grateful for Scan for hosting it. I think the human interaction is what drives the tech and brings soul to the tech. So, I met some really great partners here to collaborate with that I wouldn't have never met.
I've had a very good time tonight. I've actually met with stakeholders from all sorts of sides of private side, public side, small businesses, large businesses. Had some really good conversations.
At the events, you can meet a wide range of people and have really interesting discussions, but these more informal events are, I think, vital to have more honest conversations and in-depth conversations about what future trends are and what the future will look like.
It all begins with the human interaction. So, with the demonstrations as well, mingled in with the networking, I think it's fabulous.